2017. A sliver from interstellar space slices through our solar system, fast, silent, and unlike anything we've seen. Telescopes scramble, numbers don't add up, and then we measure the strangest detail of all. It accelerates, with no visible push. They call it Oumuamua, scout or messenger in Hawaiian. Its shape, some say cigar-like, others a flat shard. It tumbles, not spinning smoothly, and when it swings past the sun, the trajectory bends more than gravity alone can explain. So, what gives an object a shove, with no plume, no jets, no dust? Option 1. Outgassing like a comet. But telescopes saw nothing. Option 2. Hydrogen ice. Elegant, until you remember it's ridiculously fragile under starlight. Option 3. Nitrogen ice. But you need countless Pluto worlds shattering to supply chips like this. The spiciest idea, what if it wasn't rock at all, but a thin sheet, light enough for sunlight to push? Sunlight can impart momentum. If Oumuamua were ultra-thin, natural or engineered, its acceleration looked less odd. But then, why no radio signals? Why the chaotic tumble? We saw it late and lost it fast. Days, not months, to grab data. With it racing away, ambiguity hardened into legend. Next time we'll be ready. Advanced surveys will catch objects earlier. Rapid response missions could chase, image up close, even sample dust. So what was Oumuamua? The bravest answer is also the most honest. We don't know. A natural shard with peculiar physics, very possible. An engineered relic, not impossible. Either way, it changed us. The next messenger won't slip by, and when it comes, we'll follow. Your turn, Team Natural or Team Engineered. What single measurement would end the debate? Drop it below.